Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Ethan Shit Up. Today's video will be an afternoon of my life. A sleepover, if you will. With the person who's watching this video. You. Majority of the video will be voiceovered because I'm not feeling too splendid. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Voiceover Ethan, come on, let's go. So the first thing I have to do after a long day of absolutely nothing is call a bunch of different places to make sure that I have somewhere to park for the night.
Hello?
Hi, I was just calling to see if you guys allow overnight parking.
No.
Okay, thank you.
No.
Nope. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you. Goodbye.
Okay.
That was interesting. Okay, well, I have somewhere to stay. Once I've made it to my camp spot, no, not over there. Not over there either. Yes, up here. Hi, how's it going? What's up? As I was saying, once I got settled into my campsite, I decided to go across the street to the store to get some food for my nutritious dinner. It was a very busy road, so I had to be extra careful to not get hit by a car. As entertaining as I think that would be for the video, I don't want that happening. But then eventually, after waiting 10 minutes for traffic to go by, I made it safely to the store. When I'm at the store, Millie takes advantage of this time to sprawl out on the couch and get comfortable. Once I got into the store, I was looking for my ingredients for my nutritious dinner. Quesadillas. I had a hard time locating the cheese, and my friend had pointed out multiple times, and I still couldn't find it. I still don't see it. Where are you looking? Oh. I got my cheese. Let's keep moving. Once I finally found the cheese, I went to go get a watermelon for dessert. I started smacking the watermelon because that's the way that you can tell the ripeness based on the sound. I'm not exactly sure of the science behind it, but it works every time. But yes, this was a good one, so I made sure to get it. Once I was done at the store, I tested my running skills once again while crossing the road and avoiding traffic. Then I headed back to my RV to prepare for dinner. Welcome to my kitchen. It's small, but it gets the job done. Okay, so how many do you guys want? You just want one? Okay. I have my non-stick pan. Her name's Gloria. Gonna plop these bad boys in, Gloria, really quick. Turn on my fire. Woohoo, let there be light. As Jesus once said. It's stuck. Non-stick my ass. Come on, Gloria, you got this. I'm turning off the stove. It's hotter than a witch's titty in here. Now it's like 40 degrees hotter in my RV, but it was worth it for some quesadillas. These are the best quesadillas I've ever had in my life. I'm kidding, they taste like shit, but they're edible. I asked you if you wanted quesadillas and you didn't say anything. I'm sorry, you should have spoken up. Okay, since you're very cute, I'll give you a little piece, okay? You can be a good girl. Easy. You're very welcome. There is a hair in this one. It's embedded in the tortilla. How does that even happen? That's from like the factory, okay? That's not me. I'm sorry, but this one's yours. Here you go, you can have it. I love having neighbors. It's really great. Now that I'm done with dinner, I'm gonna wash my face. I use 4 different ingredients. The first is Skippy peanut butter. The second ingredient is powdered goat milk. I don't know what preservatives they put in this, but it does a really good job at preserving my face, so it works. The next ingredient is some coffee grounds for an exfoliant. And last but not least, I use some extra virgin olive oil. I don't know why I'm making that face. Once I've mixed everything together, I make sure to put my hair back, and then I start lathering everything up. It looks like shit. It really does. Like, it looks like I'm spreading like diarrhea on my face. I was talking to my friend while putting on my face mask, and it seemed like he wasn't listening, so I wanted to test to see if he was listening, and we can see how well that went really quick. So I went on a jog this morning, guys, and then Millie spontaneously exploded all over the place. And then my foot got bitten off by a giant dragon that came out of the water. And then a pterodactyl came swooping down and lifted Millie and I off the ground.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad that he was really interested in that conversation. So here is my glamorous face mask. After I do my skincare routine, I take a nice shower. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Okay, I'm obviously joking. I don't really take a shower like that. I'm sorry, you might see that in your nightmares at some point. That was pretty horrifying. But here's me actually taking a shower, like a normal person. That's the closest I can get to an E, right here. Then once I was getting out of the shower, I put my camera on my door thinking that it would end up being a cool angle, but then my phone just fell. All done. After I get out of my shower, what I like to do is some afternoon yoga. Shit. I like to stretch a little bit, do some karate kicks. do some squats. You don't get these thunder thighs for nothing. I'm just kidding. I don't think this is working properly. You come here often? After I'm done taking care of my hygiene for the night, I tell Millie a nice bedtime story. And then everybody in the family died. Alright, let's go to bed. But now it is time to rest and go to bed. So what I like to do is get on some comfy pajamas, lay in bed, project a movie like every single other van lifer RVer does. This would not be an RV channel without a projector. But I have a nice big wall in my bedroom that acts as my screen, and it's pretty great. But that is the majority of my afternoon. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this type of video. I hope the voiceover was nice and not really annoying. I keep saying If you guys knew how many times I cut out ums, you'd be horrified. See, oh my god. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up. If you thought it was stupid and didn't like it, then that's completely fine too. Shit. I said again. Oh shit! If you like the video and you're not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Last but not least, I would like to say a huge thank you to everyone who supports the channel on Patreon. Because of you guys, I'm able to continue making content and show you all of the beautiful places that the United States and many other places in the future have to offer. So thank you guys so very much. I know I've already said thank you, but thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And an extra special thank you goes to Doug, Heath Taylor, Scott Becker, Jojo and Beastie, John Emerson, Scott Ashley Smith, Michael Posh, Scott Ballantyne, Scott Sweaters, Paul Carpenter, Britt Saunders, Johan Gittens, and Jordan Vajda. Once again, thank you guys so very much. I really appreciate it. I hope all of you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is when this video reaches you. Peace out, I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you enjoy the bloopers, because there are plenty of them. Hi. Hi guys, how's it going? Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my video. This is super sexy. Honestly, I might keep this as a look. This is really nice. Gorge. Looks so beautiful. I could just go on the runway like this. I'm really gonna regret putting this all over my face. I hope people know that I'm trolling. I hope they don't use this for their acne, because that'd be unfortunate. I swear to God, if this makes me break out, I'm gonna be pissed. Let's taste it. Ready? It's actually not that bad, but the coffee grounds are a little much though. Sometimes I get to forget about how big my forehead is, and it's a nice time. Then other times, like this, I remember. And it's quite sad. I'm trying to convince Millie that she should film, but she doesn't want to. And since Millie's a princess, she makes the rules, so I'm not gonna force her, but I'm trying to convince her. What? You don't want to film? Come here. I'll give you cookies if you do it. Yes. That will be your payment. Come on, come over here. Come here. Come on. No? I guess no cookies for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video where I do whatever the frick I want. That would be Millie walking on the floor. You wanna come up? Come on. Okay, you can hear the traffic in the background, that's really nice. Millie, sit down, stop sniffing the food. This is supposed to be calming. Okay, she decided to get down. I feel so fancy.